Well, now we're going to look at finding the nth term of a sequence, as well as maybe some other terms in our explicit formula. But let's start off with what our explicit formula is. It's an equals a1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. And this is what we're going to substitute our values in. But the first thing we need to do is find that common difference. So if I take negative 2, subtract from it negative 29, that's negative 2 minus 29, or negative 2 plus 29, that's 27. And if I take 25 and subtract from it negative 2, that's 25 minus 2 or plus 2, that also is 27. So my common difference is 27. Now, let's substitute in to this formula right here, and then see if we can't find the 38th term of the sequence. So we're looking to find the 38th term of the sequence. So we got A38, A subscript 38 equals A1, which is negative 29, plus n, well, we're substituting in 38 for n, minus 1 times the common difference. So we got A38 equals negative 29 plus 38 minus 1 is 37 times 27, the common difference. Let's see, 37 times 27, what does that equal? That equals 999. So A38 equals negative 29 plus 999. So A38 is equal to 970. So the 38th term of this particular sequence, it starts with negative 29, has a common difference of 27. 38th term is 970. And I think you would agree that using that explicit formula to find the 38th term is a whole lot simpler than doing it recursively and doing that 37, 38 times to find that number, using an explicit formula to find the nth terms. Now, the next example we're going to look at, or the next scenario, we're going to find something other than the 38th term. In fact, we're going to find the common difference, where we're given the a number in the sequence and A1. So hold on. All right, so here we got find D, find the common difference of an arithmetic sequence for which A1 equals 75 and A38 equals 56.5. And so we're going to go this same way. So we got this explicit formula, AN minus A1 plus N minus 1 times the common difference. All right, well, let's substitute in what we know. We're going to substitute AN as A38, which is 56.5, equals A1, which is 75, plus N minus 1 times the common difference. Let's see. Well, we know it's the 38th term, so let me go on. I know from right here, I've got the 38th term in my sequence. So let's say 56.5 equals 75 plus 38 minus 1 times the common difference. 56.5 equals 75 plus, well, 38 minus 1 is 37, 37D. All right, well, let's subtract 75 from both sides. And when we do, we're going to get negative 18.5 equals 37D. And what do you say we divide both sides by 37? And once we do, we're going to find that negative 18.5 divided by 37 is going to give us negative 0.5 or negative 1/2, and that is our common difference, using the explicit formula in this case to find the common difference. And we can find any variable. Later on we may look at one where we find A1 using this explicit formula. Be persistent.